morning. I am with my great friend Gitas,
what's up?
who's avid cyclist here, and we are biking to VegFest. So
yeah,
let's get going. How many miles did we just bike?
25.
We just casually biked 25 miles.
Just easy, just easy.
Health journey. I used to be really underweight and really unhealthy. I had chronic conditions. I had chronic UTIs. I was depressed. I had acne all over myself, and I just really was not in good condition. I was stuck in my bed all the time. And then I found a raw vegan lifestyle, and I did strictly raw vegan for 2.5 years. And once I was able to clear up a lot of my health issues, then I incorporated more cooked foods into my diet, so now I do a plant-based vegan lifestyle.
How cool is that? I'm so inspired. Yeah, I'm so inspired by people like you who are able to like overcome all these conditions just with diet. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was so nice meeting you too.
Goodbye shots of everybody. Bye everybody.
Check with everyone.
That was so fun.
25
25 miles in the saddle. Dude, you have better lighting than me. Not okay. So we're about to go back. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
I guess I'm ready too.
I'm the tiger.
Any words for the viewers?
Just enjoy life, ride your bike, contemplate going vegan, and just give up all the bad shit. And enjoy life, truly.
Enjoy life, truly.